Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today's video will teach you how to editing as professional Lightroom Mobile. Go to Light, increase exposure, 40. Contrast, -30. Highlight, -50. White, -70. Black, -40. Return to curve. And drag on the right top to affect highlight. And drag on left down to affect dark area. Done. Go to color. Increase temperature to 10. Increase vibrance 50. And saturation to 20. Move to mix color. Red on hue 10. Saturation 20. Luminance 10. Orange on hue -10. Saturation -12. Luminance 20. Yellow on hue -50. Saturation -65. Luminance 0. Green on hue 95. Saturation -70. Luminance -50. Aqua on hue -100. Saturation -60. Luminance 0. Blue on hue -25. Saturation -55. Luminance 34. Saturation -100. Pink on hue -40. Saturation -50. Luminance -40. Go to effect. Increase clarity to 4. Decrease dehaze to -10. Vignette -40. Midpoint 20. Feather 100. Highlight 75. Go to split tone. Highlight on hue 30. And saturation 30. Shadow on hue 171. And saturation 7. Go to detail. Sharpening 18. Rediose 1. Detail 25. Color noise reduction 30. It's still not the correct color as we want, so we need to return to curve. Please follow this step carefully. Please take a look. Thank you for keep watching my video. I love you so much. Leave a comment if you love me too. Have a nice day. Bye bye bye.